Hello students, welcome back to Preparation Easy. I am your maths mentor Shailesh Bhange and we had started our new series of CMO previous year question papers. This will be our part 2 of class 7th CMO previous year question paper. In part 1 we had solved question number 1 to question number 25. In this video we are going to solve question number 26 to 50. Okay, so let's start. This is question number 26. In the given figure, two lines AB and CD intersect each other at point O. Find the value of x. We have to find the value of x. So we can directly equate 3x minus 30 equals to 2x plus 20 because these both angles are formed by the intersection of two lines. Therefore, these two angles are equal and these two angles are equal. Okay, so directly we can solve it. So 3x minus 30 and 2x plus 20. 2x I will shift here. It will become 3x minus 2x equals to 20 plus 30. So 3x minus 2x will become 1x equals to 50. Okay. So what is the value of x? The value of x will become 50. The value of x will become 50. Option C will be our correct answer. Okay. Let's move towards next question, that is question number 27. Look at the image given below. PRT and QRS are straight lines. PRT and QRS are the straight lines. Okay. PRT and SRQ or QRS. Find the value of y. We have to find the value of y. Here is y. Okay. So in previous question we had seen that the lines, when two lines intersect at a point, then the opposite angles are equal. Okay. So here opposite angles are equal. Now in triangle SRT, angle R plus angle S plus angle T will become 180. So angle R is, we don't know angle R, then angle S is 105 and angle T is 30. That gives angle R will be equal to 105 plus 30 will become 135 and 135 minus 180, 45. So angle R will become 45 degree. Okay. If angle SRT, angle R or angle SRT is 45, then in triangle PQR, in triangle PQR, this angle R will also become 45 degree. So 75 plus 45 plus y will become 180. 180 equals to 75 plus 45 plus y. That gives y equals to 75 plus 45 will become 5 plus 5, 10. Carry 1, 120. 180 minus 160, 120 will become 60. So our correct answer will be 60 degree. The value of y will be 60 degree. Okay. Let's move towards next question. That is question number 28. The figure shows a circle in a square. Here is a square. The outer side is square. Okay. This is a square with each side is this is 14 and this is 14. So total will be 28. Okay. Then find the total area of the shaded part. We have to find the total area of shaded part. To find the total area of shaded part, first we will find the area of square, then we will subtract the area of unshaded part, or second option is that we will directly find the area of the shaded part in two separate triangles. Okay. So what is the formula of area of triangle? What is the formula for area of triangle? I will give names, this one as 1 and it is as 2. So what is the area of triangle of 1? It will become half into base into height. Base is 14 we know, so base is 14 half and height is 28. So 2 1s are and 2 14s are. So what is the 14 square? 14 square is 196. Okay. 14 square is 196. Then similarly for the second triangle, base and height are again same, base and height are again same. So it will also become 196, and we have to find the total shaded area. So 196, 1, that is equals to 1 plus 2, area of 1 plus area of 2. It will become 196 plus 196, which is equals to 392. Okay, so our correct answer will be 392 centimeter square. How we had find? We had find by using area of triangle, and for height we had used the side of square. Okay, that is 28 centimeter. Okay, let's move towards next question. Question number 29th. Question number 29th. Which of the following options is the net of the solid? This is the solid. Just have a look at the base. At the base, there is a, at the base, look at the base, it is a type of square. Okay, the base is like this one. Okay, this is a square, and on each side, there is a triangle. There is a triangle. Okay, so how many triangles are there? Different one. This side one, this two, that is this two, and back side two. So there are total 4 triangles. 4 triangles. Okay, 4 triangles and 1 square. We have to find such figure. Here 3 triangles are there. Here also 3. Here 3. So only option C has 4 triangles. So our correct answer will be option C. 4 triangles and 1 square. Okay, on each side of square there is a triangle. Okay, let's move towards next question. Selene wishes to demonstrate her mathematical magic abilities. Selene wishes to demonstrate her mathematical abilities through games. She asked her friends to guess the number she was thinking of. She gave a hint by saying that if 15 is added to a number in my head, the result is 69. Find the number. What did Selene said? Selene was playing a game with her friends. She said that if I add 15 in the number which is in my head, the answer will be 69. So if we consider, Selene is considering a number x and adding 15, it will give 69. That gives x will equals to 69 minus 15, because 15 is in addition. It will move to move to RHS and become subtraction. So x will be equals to 69 minus 15, that is 54. X will be equals to 54. So Selene was considering the number 54 in her mind. Okay, so option C will be our correct answer. Let's move towards next question. That's question number 32. Question number 32. Amy, Alice and Milo, there are 3 friends. Each gave one even consecutive number. I said, what are the consecutive numbers? Consecutive numbers means just next number, like 4, 5, 6. These are the whole consecutive numbers. And 2, 4, 6, 8. These are the even consecutive numbers. Okay. So Amy, Alice and Milo, they are thinking of 3 consecutive even numbers. If the sum of those 3 consecutive even numbers is 54, sum is 54. Find the numbers. We have to find the numbers. Okay. So the option is, first we will consider this smallest number as n. Okay. Then the next number will be n plus 2. Why 2? Because 2 plus 2 becomes 4. That is, if I subtract 4 minus 2, that is even from even, 2 consecutive even numbers, the answer is 2. Again from 6 minus 4, it will also become 2. So the difference between 2 even numbers is of 2. Okay. So the consecutive numbers will be n. First number is n. Second will be n plus 2, and third will be n plus 2 plus 2, that is n plus 4. Okay. So 3 numbers we got, n, n plus 2, n plus 4, and whose sum is 54. So I can write it like this. N plus 2 plus n plus 4 will equals to 54. That gives 3n plus 6 equals to 54, 3n equals to 54 minus 6, that is 48, and n equals to 12. So the lowest number is 12. Then the next, sorry, not 12, the lowest number will be equals to 16. Lowest number will be equals to 16. Okay, 3 ones are 3 and 16. So n will be 16. So lowest number will be 16. Then the next number is n plus 2. N plus 2, that is equals to 18. And third number n plus 4, which is equals to 20. So 16, 18 and 20 will be your correct answer. Okay, option B. Let's move towards next question. Alexa has X dollars. How much does Alexa has? X dollar. Okay. Out of which she spent $6 of it. How much she spent? $6 she spent. Okay. Find the X if the twice the amount of money she had left is 86. If she left 86, that is twice amount. Okay. So if total money is X and she had spent $6, that means how much money is left? X minus 6. But there is a twist. What is twist? X minus 6 is twice. X minus 6 is twice. So 84 will be equals to 2 times of x minus 6. That gives 84 equals to 2x minus 12. So 2x will become 2x equals to 84 minus 12, that is 72, and x will be equals to 36. X will be equals to 36. But how much she had spent already? How much she had spent already? $6 she has. Okay, sorry. It is 86, not 84. It's 86. So we have to consider as 86 equals to twice of x minus 6, which becomes 86 equals to 2x minus 12. That gives x, 2x equals to 74 and x equals to 17. Not 17. X equals to 37. Okay. How much money she had left now? 37. Okay. So how much money she spent? She spent $6. So 37 plus 6 will become, is it 37 correct? 3 2s are 6, 14. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, then 14, 7. Yes, 37 is correct. So how much money she left with? She left 37 rupees. Okay, she had left 37 rupees. Find x if the twice amount of money she has left is it. Oh, sorry. Here is a small twist in the question. Here is the small twist in the question. That is, she has left 86. That is twice money she had left. Means how much money she had left? 86 divided by 2. That is equals to 43. And 43 plus 6. That is 49. So total money she had was 49. How we had calculated? It is given that 86 rupees is twice the money she left. That is, she left 86 divided by 2, which is equals to 43, and she had already spent $6. That is 43 plus 6, which is equals to 49. Okay. Move towards next question. Which of the following alphabet letters has both a horizontal and a vertical symmetry? What is horizontal and what is vertical? If I consider a square, if I divide it like this or if I divide it like this, if I cut down in vertical or horizontal way, the two halves are exactly same. So we have to find for y, p, x and m. For y, if I divide it from middle, this is y. If I divide it from middle, it will become too hard. But if I divide it like this, it will not be similar. So y is not our option. Next is p. Obviously p is also not there. Okay. Then x. Yes, x is exactly same. If I divide it, okay, this will be the two parts, and if like this will be the two parts, V and opposite V. Okay, so these are the two, vertical and horizontal symmetry of X. So what will be your answer? Our answer will be C, X. Let's move towards next question. Next question is, what is the order of rotational symmetry of the given figure? To find the rotational symmetry, we will put here, okay, first, second, third. Okay, so how much rotational symmetry is it? 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and again 6. So the figure, the shape has 6 rotational symmetry, Okay, let's move towards next question, that is question number, okay, 35 has been finished. 36th, okay, 36th question. Which congruence criteria do you use in the following? If AB equals to PQ given, okay, BC equals to QR given, okay, and AC equals to PR given. Here we can directly say that three sides are equal, that is side, side and side criteria we will use to prove it as a congruence. Okay, so which criteria we will use? Side, side and side. Okay, so option A will be the answer. What is ASA? If two angles and the between side, two angles and between sides are same, then ASA will be applied, and SA stands for side angle side. If two sides and the angle between the two sides are same, then SAS will be applied. Okay. Next question, that is 37th. In the given figure, length of the sides of triangle are given. Which pair of triangle are congruent? Okay. Let's consider for first ABC. AB is equals to, AB is 3.5. PQ is also 3.5. So PQ. Now BC is 7.1 and PR is 7.1. So AB equals to PQ, BC equals to PR, and at last AC is equals to what? AC is 5, QR, okay, QR. So which sides are equal? AB equals to PQ, so AB equals to PQ, okay. BC is equals to PR, but not same, so first option will be wrong. Okay, so what will be our answer? AB equals to PQ, BC equals to PR. So our answer will be RPQ or QPR. QPR will be our correct answer. ABC equals to QPR. See, AB is equals to QP, yes, or PQ. BC is equals to PR or RP, or AC is equals to QR. So what will be our answer? ABC congruent to QPR equals to QPR. Next question, question number 38. Feeder works as a fruit vendor. Okay. He has a basket with 3 different types of fruits. What are the totaling? Totaling is 58 by 3 kg. Okay. If 73 by 9 kg are apples, these are total. Apples equals to 73 upon 9. Okay. Kiwis equals to 19 upon 6, and the rest are strawberries. How much strawberries? We have to find the number of strawberries. Okay, so let's start. To find the strawberries, we will subtract total equals to apple plus kiwi plus strawberry. Okay, so what is total? Total is 58 divided by 3. How many apples are there? 73 upon 9. And kiwis are 19 upon 6 and rest are strawberries. So I will keep strawberries one side and subtract it from 58 by 3. 58 by 3 minus 73 upon 9 plus 19 upon 6. Okay, 19 upon 6. So what is the LCM? What is the LCM? LCM will be 18. LCM will be 18. Okay, so S equals to 6 into 58 minus 73 into 2 plus, sorry, this will also become minus 19 multiplied by 3, okay, and whole divided by 18. So we will calculate it. 6 into 58, 6 into 58 will become 6 sides are 8 6 are 48, 8 carry 4, 6 5 are 30, 34, 34 minus 73, that is 146, 146, and minus 19 into 3, 19 into 3 will become 57 divided by 18, okay. So 7 plus 6, 7 plus 6, that is 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 3 carry 1, 5 plus 1, 6 plus 4 times 0 carry 1, 1 plus 1, 2. So 348 minus 203 divided by 18, divided by 18. So what will be our answer? 5. 4 minus 0 not possible, so 14 minus, okay, sorry, 4 and 1, 145 by 18 will be our answer. 145 by 18, okay, is it there? Yes, option B will be our answer. Option B will be our answer, okay. Let's solve the next question. What is the next question? A car is traveling at 202 divided by 5 kilometer per hour. Okay, this is the speed. Time is given, that is 15 by 2 hours. We have to find the distance. What is the formula for distance? Speed equals to distance upon time, that gives distance equals to speed multiplied by time. Okay, so what is speed? Speed is 202 divided by 5. 202 divided by 5, and time is 15 by 2, 15 divided by 2, so 2 ones are 101, 5 ones are 3, so the distance will be 303 kilometers, 303 kilometers. What is the option is? Yes, correct answer is option B. Okay, let's move towards next question. This will be the last question of practical mathematics section. Okay, this will be the last question of practical mathematics section. Find the area of right angled triangle. Find the area of right angled triangle. Okay, this is a right angled triangle whose hypotenuse is 15 centimeter. One side is 12 centimeter. We have to find the third side. We have to find the third side to find the area of right angle triangle. So what is the formula? First we will apply Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem. Okay, what is Pythagoras theorem? What is the Pythagoras theorem? Pythagoras theorem states that hypotenuse square equals to side 1 square plus side 2 square. What is hypotenuse? That is 15 square. One side is 12 square and second side we don't know, so x square. Okay, we'll consider the third side as x square. Okay, so 15 square will be, what will be the 15 square? That is 325. Sorry, not 325, it will become 225. Okay, 12 square 144 plus x square. So x square will become 225 minus 144, which will be equals to 66 plus 25, 66, 76, 86. Sorry, 225 minus 144, 5 minus 1, 5 minus 4 1, 12 minus 4 that is 8. Okay, so answer will be 81. X square will be 81, so x will be 9. X will be 9. Okay, so we got the third side as 9 centimeter. Then we have to find the area. What is the formula of area? Half into base into height. Half base height. What is base? Base is 12, height is 9 and half. 2 ones are 2 6 are 9 6 are 54. So our answer will be 54 centimeter square. Okay. Now here will be our achievers section. Achievers section will consist of 10 questions and 2 marks for each question. Okay. So let's solve it. A shopkeeper sells an article at a loss of 12 1 by 2. At what price he sold 12 1 by 2, that is equals to what? 25 by or 12.5. okay, that is equals to 12.5. Now if he had sold it for 51.80 more, if he had sold for 51.80 more, then what would be her profit? His profit would be 6%. His profit would be 6%. So we have to find the cost price, that is CP of an article. We have to find the CP of article. Okay, let's find out. So first is 12.5%. 12.5 can be written as divided by 100, which will be equals to 1 by 8. Okay, so I can write 12.5 by as 1 by 8. Okay, so what should be the cost? X, but at what cost he had sold? 1 by 8, which is equals to minus. Okay, so 7 by 8 x. At this price he sold the article. At what price he sold the article? 7 by 8 x. Okay, this will be the cost, selling price. This will be the selling price. Okay, now let's see the second condition. What is second condition saying? If he had sold 51.80 more, 51.80 rupees more, then he will earn 6% profit. That is, if the actual price is, what is the actual price? X, and if he sold 6% more, that is x. Yes, 6 by 100, which gives x plus 0.6x, that gives 1.06x. If he sold at 1.06x, then the profit would be 6%. Okay, then the profit would be 6%. Let's write it down here. 1.06x. Okay, so at last he had he sold it for rupees 51.80 more, 51.80 more, then 7 by 8, that is equals to, we can write it here as 7 by 8 x plus 51.80 equals to 1.06 x, or 51.80 equals to 1.06 x minus 7 by 8 x, which is equals to 1.06 minus, this is almost equals to 8 8s are 56, 8 8s are 64, 8 64 60, 8 6 are 48, 20, 8 2s are 14, and the answer will be 8.62, 0, answer would be 0.8625. okay, 0.8625 x, 0.8625 x. So let's solve it. 51.80 equals to 1.06 minus 0.8 and 6. Okay, so 6 minus 6 0, 10 minus 8, that is 2. Okay, so it will become 0.20x. So x would be equals to 51.80 divided by 0.20, which is equals to 2 1s are 2 2s are 4, 11 5s are 18, 6 are 2 5. Just a second. X will be equals to 51, or is it 51 or 54? Okay, 51.80. Okay, so 51.80 divided by 1.06 minus 8.625, 1.06 minus 8.625, which is equals to 0. 0.20, 0.20. Okay, so 51.80 divided by 0.20, which is equals to 2 5 18 6 256, which is equals to 256. Okay, so 12 1 by 2, that is 7. Okay, 7 by 8, 8 1 7 by 1.06 x minus 7 by 8, which is equals to 0.8625. Okay, that is the value of x. That is the value of x. Okay, so what we have to find? We have to find the cost price. That was the selling price. So cost price would be equals to 256 minus 256 plus 51, which is almost equals to 300, so our answer will be 300. Okay, because I had taken the values in point, so the answer might gets a little bit changed. Okay, so the approximate answer would be 300. Okay, so let's start to next question. 42. What is the 42 question? Rocky works as a rickshaw puller and earns 80 one day. Okay, how much he earns? $80. Okay, he spent 68 by 5, 68 upon 5 of his earning on tea. Okay, on tea 68 by 5, on snacks 51 by 2, and on rickshaw repairs 22 by 5. How much money did he save that day? We have to find the how much money he had saved. To calculate the saved money, we have to subtract the total amount he earned minus his expenses. Okay, so how much total he had earned? 80. Okay, so saves equals to 80 minus, now first is 68 by 5, second is 51 by 2, and third one is 22 by 5 minus 22 by 5. Okay, so if I take the LCM of 1, 5 and 2, it will become 10. So 1 into 10 becomes 10. So 80 multiplied by 10, okay, minus 68 multiplied by 2, minus 51 into 5, minus 22 into 2, okay, divided by 10. So what will be the answer? 800 minus 68 into 2. 68 into 2 will become 6, 13, 136, minus 51 into 5, 5, 2, 255, and then minus 44. Okay, divided by 100. Divided by 10. Okay, so 800. Okay, 44 plus 36. 44 plus 36 will become 6 plus 4, 10, 0, carry 1, 4 plus 180. Okay, 180. Yes, 180 and 255. 255 plus 180, 255. plus 180, 5 plus 0, 5, 8 plus 5, 13, 3 carry 1, 2, 3, 4, 435. So 800 minus 435 divided by 10. This much money he had left or he had saved that day. So 800 minus 435, 5, 6, 3, 365 divided by 10. Okay, 365 divided by 10. 365 divided by 10. So 2, 5 ones are 5, 5 sevens are 35, and then 73 by 2. The correct answer would be 73 by $2 he had saved for that day. Okay, let's move towards next question. Okay, so the next question is present age of Albert and his father. Albert and his father's age is given, that is 2:5 respectively. What is their present age? 2:5. Okay. After 4 years, after 4 years means 2x. Albert's age will become, if present age is 2x and 5x, Albert father. Okay. After of this, okay, I will write it down once again. Okay, so at present their age is 2x and 5x. Okay, after 4 years 2x plus 4 will be the Albert's age and 5x plus 4 will be father's age. 2x plus 4 and 5x plus 4, this is Albert, this is father. Okay, so let's calculate. 2x divided by 5x will become 2x plus 4 divided by 5x plus 4. But okay, so after 4 years 2x plus 4 and 5x plus 4, which is also given as 5:11. The ratio will become 5:11, that is 5x and 11x. So we have to find the value of x. Okay, so 11 into 2x plus 4 multiplied by 11 equals to 5x multiplied by 5x plus 4. So it will become 11 to the 22x plus 44 equals to 5 5 the, okay, it is 11x, or it is just 11 and it is also only 5. Okay, so 5 5s are 25x plus 5 4s are 20. So 22x minus 25x will become 25x minus 22x 3x, and 44 minus 20 will become 24. Okay, so x equals to 6 or 8. X equals to 8. Okay, we got the value of x. What was the age, father's age before 5 years? So we have to find the age before 5 years. So what is the current age? 5x. What is the current age? 5x, that is equals to 5 into 8, which is equals to 40. Before 5 years means 40 minus 5, that will be equals to 35. That will be equals to 35 years. Okay. Next question. Okay. This is the next question, that is D, E and F are the midpoints of AB, BC, CA and AB of a triangle. Let's first draw the triangle. This will be the triangle A, B, C. Okay. Now BC has midpoint D. CA has midpoint E, and AB has midpoint F. D, E and F. Okay, DE and F. If AD and BE, AD, that is AD and BE intersect at point G, okay, then AG plus BG plus CG equals to AG plus BG plus, okay, this is also the CG. We have what we have to find, AG plus BG plus CG. There is one formula which states that whenever the three midpoints of a triangle intersect at center, it divides the segment, that is AD, into 1:2 ratio. That is, this will be the twice and this will be the half. That is, this will be the one part and this will be two parts. Okay. So what we have to find, AG. What is AG? We have to find in, okay, what is AG? AG is 2/3 of AD. Okay, what is AG? AG is 2/3 of AD. What is BG? BG is 2/3 of BE. 2/3 of BE. And what is CG? CG is 2/3 of, again, CF. Okay. What is, okay, so what is common? 2/3 is common. I will write it here. AD plus BE plus CF. Okay. So our answer will be 2/3 AD, 2/3 AD plus BE plus CF. How we had calculated? We know that any midpoints of midpoints of any triangle meets at center, divides the line segment in 2:1 ratio. From that we had find that this is 2/3, this is 2/3, and this side is also, CG is also 2/3 of CF. From that we know that 2/3 AD plus BE plus CF equals to AG plus BG plus CG. Okay, let's move towards next question. Okay, question number 46. The LCM of two numbers is 12 times. If I consider, okay, their HCF, if I consider HCF as x, then LCM will become 12x. Okay, sum of HCF and LCM is 403. HCF plus LCM equals to 403, which is equals to x plus 12x will become 403. So 13x will become 403, and x will be equals to 403 divided by 13, that is equals to 31. So we get the value of x, that is 31. So HCF will be 31. Okay. What is LCM? LCM will be 12 into 31, that is 372. If one number is 93, we had given that a number out of two numbers, one number is 93. That is, we have the formula HCF multiplied by LCM equals to A into B. A and B are the numbers, two numbers. So what is HCF? 31. LCM 372. What is A? A is 93 given. We have to find B. So B will be equals to 31 multiplied by 372 divided by 93. 31 ones are, 31 threes are, 3 ones are, 3 twos are 6, 12 fours are. So answer will be 124. The answer will be 124. Okay. Move towards next question. Okay. The following bar graph shows the rainfall at selected locations in certain months. Which of the following statements are correct? Okay, we have to find the correct statement. The first statement states that July rainfall exceeds August rainfall. July rainfall exceeds August rainfall by 100 centimeter. This is July 1. This is July, and this will be the August 1. The blue will be August. At last, I will mark this by black one. The black one will be September. Okay. So, what it had said, July rainfall exceeds August rainfall by 100 centimeter in each location. Okay. Just look at the graph. July is always less than August. July's rainfall is always less than August. But what it says, exceeds. Exceeds means greater or more. So this option will be wrong. Okay. What is second? September rainfall exceeds August by 50 centimeter in each location. Let's calculate. September location, at first location, yes. At second location, yes. Third one, no. At third, no. So this one also cancel. July rainfall is lower than August rainfall in each location. Let's check out here. Okay. So at every location, July's rainfall is less than August rainfall. So option C will be the correct answer. Okay. Let's move towards next question. What is the next question? In the given figure, triangle BAC equals to triangle QRP by SAS criteria. Find the value of x and y. We have to find the value of x and y. If they are equal, the angles are also equal. So 2x plus 15 equals to 5x minus 60. These two angles. Okay. So 5x minus 2x will be equals to 60 plus 15. So 3x will become 75 and x equals to 25. We got the value of x equals to 25. Not now we have to find the value of y. Okay, we have to find the value of y. So 3x plus 10, sides are also equal. 3x plus 10 equals to 5y plus 15. But we know that x equals to 25. So 25 into 3 will become 75 plus 10 equals to 5y plus 15. So 5y equals to 85 minus 15. Y equals to 85 minus 15 will become 85 minus 50 will become 70 divided by 5. So y will become 5 ones are 5 14s are. So 25 and 14 will be the answer. Okay. Question number 48, 49th. Adrian is a good worker who earns a good living, earning $16,000 per month. Okay. She spends 1/4 of his income on food. 1/4 on food. Okay. Then 3/10 on house rent, 3/10 on rent, then 5/12, 5/21 on children's education, and how much money did she have left? First we have to find 1/4 of food. 1/4. Okay. So how much money is she spending? 16,000 multiplied by 1/4, which is equals to 4,000. She is spending on food 4,000 rupees, dollars. Okay. Now for rent we have to check. She spent 1/4 of his income on food, 3/10 of the remainder means the remainder, that is 16,000 minus 4,000. It will become 12,000. Okay. Out of 12,000, she spent 3/10 on rent, that is equals to 1200 into 3, which is equals to 0, 0, 3 to the 6 and 3 on rent. Okay. Out of again remainder, that is 12,000 minus 3600. It will become 8400 multiplied by 5/21. 5/21 spends on child education, that is equals to 3 sevens are 21, 3 twos are 6, 24 eights are 0, 0, 7 ones are 7, 7 fours are 28, 400. So 5 into 4, that is 2,000. For child, 2,000. Okay, how much she had remained or left? So we have to add this and subtract it from total money, that is 4,000 plus 3,600 plus 2,000. 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 3, 9, 9,600 she had total spent out of 16,000. 9,600 she had total spent. Okay, so how much is remaining? How much is remaining? 6,400. Option C, 6,400 is remained. Okay, let's move. This will be our last question of HUS section and obviously of the question paper. So the rectangle courtyard is 75 meters long. Rectangle courtyard 75 meters long, 32 meters wide. Determine the cost of leveling 3 meter, $3 per meter. Okay, what is cost? $3 per meter square. Okay, so we have to find the area, then we will multiply it by cost. Okay, 75 into 32. 5 2s are 10, 0 carry 1, 7 2s are 14 plus 1 15, 0, 5 3s are 15, 5 carry 1, 7 3s are 21, 22, 0, 0, 2, 3, 4 and 2. Why I had multiplied 75 into 32? Because this is the formula for area. What is the formula of area of rectangle? That is L into B, that is 75 into 32 that I had calculated. Okay, so what is the cost? $3. That is for 1 meter square it is $3. For then for 2400 meter square we have to find. For that we will multiply 2400 by 3. So it will become multiplied by 3. It will become 0, 0, 4 3 are 12, 2 carry 1, 3 2 is 6 plus 1, 7. 7200. 7200 will be our answer. Thank you for watching the video. We will meet in next video. Thank you.